5 ways you can make a cat happy. Number 1, scratching behind his ear or her. Georgie likes that. And number 2, let them sniff you. And then pet them. Under their chin, pet their tufts. It depends on the cat. Some cats don't like to be pet there. My cat hates to be patted on the belly. Ow! He just bit me. And he's proud of that. Number 4, let him be or her. And don't put a camera in his face or her. You're famous, George. You're famous. And last but not least, don't touch their tail. Cats love their tails. Don't touch it. He gets mad. Ow! Ow! You just bit me again.